What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So it seems as if Ramaphosa is like thrown in the towel. This is after he made it like openly clear, that municipalities led by the DA, they perform better than those led by the ANC. So this was very, very clear and open from Ramaphosa. And so many people, they are seeing this as an admission, that the ANC has failed, or maybe like the DA is better than the ANC. I think the last one is much, much better. They are seeing as if like the DA is better than the ANC. But on the other hand, looking at Ramaphosa, he is coming, maybe from a position of good leadership, of clearly observing, that the neighbor is better than what we are doing. So for us to grow, we must learn from what these guys are doing. So I think that's the angle that Ramaphosa has been coming from, and there is nothing wrong, with admitting, that the other guy is better than me. So how do I get better than him? Because the only way, for yourself to grow sometimes is to actually observe and see that I'm not the best around here. And after observing that you're not the best around here, what can you do now to actually get better? And Ramaphosa has already proposed a solution. And that solution, is to see what the DA councillors are doing. And themselves, as the ANC, they simply emulate that. And they also get better, maybe equal or better what the DA is doing. So from a position of leadership perspective, Ramaphosa is quite correct, from his angle. But politically, the challenge is that people do definitely misquote Ramaphosa. Those kind of statements, what he said, it's best said behind closed doors. I think, it has to be said behind closed doors. Definitely that. I also remember, Fikile Mbalula also defending what Dada Morero had said at one point about the ANC or the government considering to hire foreign nationals as police officers. And Fikile Mbalula was saying, you know what? That was a closed door discussion and it should not have gone public. And this is the same situation, with Ramaphosa here. This is something, to be said in meetings behind closed doors, because this is like a strategy, but for it to be said in public like that, it's a huge blunder. I'll catch you guys on the next one.